Do you really want to make chicken curry? I will tell you how to do that. These are our items. The first step, we need to fry 2 onions. Add some chicken chest. This spice was made by my mother. Add some sweet pepper. Add inoculated garlic. Now you can add some curry spice. Add some salt. Pour 1 bottle of whipped cream. You can get it in the market. In here we need 1.5 spoons of starch. Pour 1 glass of milk into the bowl. Pour the solution into it. Pour some cheese on the chicken curry. This the final shape. I hope you like it. I really get tired to make this video, so please don't forget to like and comment and follow and be with us in YouTube.